Hello everybody! Welcome to Sardinia, Italy. My name is Jonathan Brownstein. I moved to Sardinia in 1990 and became very passionate about the Sardinian artisan culture. My son Lorenzo came tonight. Ciao. What do you want, Lorenzo? Carbonara or pasta col tonno? Pasta that I can actually teach you in 10 minutes. Today we're going to make pasta col tonno. This pasta, we're going to basically saute a little onion. It is extra virgin, but it's also just super. I basically cut a little horizontal here, another horizontal here, and I just do a really... I put that actually in there when the oil's still cool. There's a real secret to any fish pasta that I think, and you have to get the base right, okay? And so this olive oil, okay, from Sant'Antioco, and this, I use this as my base. And then this bloodline tuna, the same thing. I don't want to put a whole lot of tuna in there, but this is so tasty. And it gives me, you know, it's like making a roux kind of. It's like, it gives me my base to the pasta. This is Sardinian organic hot pepper. I don't want to do too much. So I kind of take this off the flame right now. You know, Lorenzo eats a lot of pasta, but I'm not even going to use that whole can. It would be too much. And so we're actually going to let that go. I'm going to throw a bunch of basil in here. This is a summer pasta. Basically, all these ingredients and everything that I'm doing here, you can do at home. I'm going to throw a tiny bit of salt in the pasta. This is actually a fior di sale with lemon, and mamma mia, this salt, I tell you. Fior di sale is like the caviar of salt, and this is real lemon. These are Sardinian capers. This is Capro Selargino, and this is kind of a medium size, 4 or 5 per person, maybe a little more. I'm going to rinse these off. That is our capers. We put a lot of salt. That's rock salt. That's at least, I'm going to put a little bit more. Lorenzo likes to eat a lot of pasta, so I'm actually going to put in, this is the bloodline tuna. This is a personal taste. I use about 1/3 bloodline tuna, okay? And this is, you know, this is for 2 people, so now I'm going to put the fillet of tuna, okay? And, you know, if there's oil there, that's fine. You just want to incorporate it really well into the sauce and make this really kind of nice. Just make it homogeneous almost. Drain the pasta. And Lorenzo, we are ready to eat. Okay? Thank you so much for joining us. If you have questions, please email me, john@frigoitalia.com. And, thank you so much. Be safe. Take care.